Hey guys, Cyberdinner here. I hope that you've all had a good holiday period, whatever you celebrate. But today I have my January Antipodean witch box to unbox. So let's get started. Before I even open this box, it already smells so good. It was a bit late this month as one of the suppliers for one of the items was a bit delayed, but that's okay. It's still here. So let's get started. It's a nice light purple, lavender, as it would be by the looks of the actual piece in here. So we've got the pamphlet, which says Thunder Moon, 10th of January. There's also a small note. So it's just a little piece to say one of the items will not be in here. But they do have the group on Facebook and it'll all be updated on there. So when that gets updated, I will pop a note probably in the description box. Alrighty. So we'll start on top, I guess is the easiest place. So the first item is lavender, which would be expected with the box that smells so lavendery. The planet for lavender is Mercury, the elements are air, and the attributes are resolution, success, purification, and love. Next we have a piece of red tiger jasper. The planet is Mars, element is Earth, and the attributes are resolution, healing, strength, courage, solitude, grounding, and stability. I've also got a piece of purple agate. Planet is moon, the element is fire, and the attributes are resolution, dreams, maturity, positive energy, mental power, intuition, and creativity. Got our incense sticks with a third one hiding on the edge. They smell quite nice, quite a lot like what the box smells like. I'm not a big incense person, but I have been burning some incense lately, just because I have it. The next item we have is a piece of amethyst. The planet is Uranus, the element is air, the attributes are resolution, success, sobriety, luck, fidelity, and protection. We have some knot grass. The planet is Saturn. The element is Earth, and the attributes are resolution, strength, confidence, and binding. hydrangea root. The planet is Mars. The element is fire. The attributes are resolution, purifying, purging negativity, and hex breaking. We've got 2 light purple lavender spell candles. Consecrated bath salts for resolution, which would make a lot of sense, as we noticed for the theme of the herbs and the crystals, they all are good for resolutions, which coming into the new year, a lot of people are making resolutions. The pendant, which way should it go? This is a very interesting looking pendant, actually. I quite like it. Something that I might not have normally chosen. And a little box. Nothing inside. No. But this is actually quite nice, very pretty. And our sigil and affirmation for resolution. I welcome the satisfaction of resolution in my life. I step forward confidently, strong in my resolve, knowing my power. So we go through the pamphlet. So the almanac for January 2020 is the 3rd of January is the first quarter. The 10th of January is the full moon, the thunder moon. The 17th of January is the last quarter, and the 24th of January is the new moon. So in this month's box, we've got the metal spell chest, made from recycled timbers with a beaten metal design. These spell chests are as beautiful as they are useful. The act of locking your intentions into a physical object like a jar or box is a powerful way to manifest your will. We will use this spell chest in our ritual this month. The design on your chest has been intuitively chosen for you. So the item that we didn't get is the coin of resolution. So it can be used very simply for yes/no questions and answers. The resolution, sigil and affirmation. Celestial Geometry Pendant. This beautiful geometric pendant has layers of symbolism in its elegant design. Spend some time pondering its various elements to see which have the most significance for you. I definitely see an eye and a moon, and it also kind of looks like a 10-sided dice, which are my favourite dice, as we noted in my Halloween haul. We have the resolution bath salts, made from sea salt, Himalayan salt, lavender flowers and essential oils. You can use it as a soak or scrub. It also has some information on how you can use the coin. I'm pretty sure I've said that wrong, but it's a nice big word. So I'll put it on the screen. You can also use cards and tarot or oracle cards together. So we've got the Summer Bliss incense, which I put down here somewhere. Scents of lavender and copal evoke the relaxation of a balmy summer night. We've got the hydrangea root. It is believed to banish nightmares, bring calm, and aid in a sense of resolve. We've got the lavender, worn by Roman soldiers to ward off illness and bring success in battle. Lavender is reputed to clear the mind, strengthening intuition and bringing clarity of will and a sense of calm. We've got the knotgrass. Has been traditionally used to increase emotional commitment and encourage fidelity. It can be used for ensuring promises are kept for all rituals involving knots. Soy wish candles. Amethyst, which is a meditative and calming stone which works in the emotional, spiritual and physical planes to promote calm, balance and peace. The purple agate. They are traditionally protective stones and have been used and coloured by people since ancient times. Red tiger jasper. Combining hematite and jasper, this intriguing conglomerate crystal is believed to strengthen the will, calm the mind, and be of aid when decisive action is needed. Then we also have our intention setting ritual for resolution. And on the back we have some thunder deities, which I will put in a pinned comment down below because it is a bit tricky to read. So I want to give you all the information that I can there. And we have a recipe for restorative lavender honey lemon madeleines. So that is everything that I got in my January 2020 Antipodean Witch box. If you enjoyed watching, make sure to give it a thumbs up down below and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! I know in my last video I apologized for having terrible nails, so here are my Christmas nails.